Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a full walkthrough on the Travel Mapper Google Sheets add-on. So without further ado, let's check what they have to offer. So of course we start this trip out in Google Sheets. We're going to create a new blank spreadsheet, and once we're in over here, we're going to go up to our ribbon. We're going to look for extensions. Now once you click on extensions, we can click on add-ons. Here we can click on Get Add-ons. Now this window will open up, and this is the Google Workspace Marketplace. Right over here in the search bar at the top, you're going to click on there and you are going to type in Travel Mapper, and you can choose it from the drop down. You can see that this is the Travel Mapper add-on, and all you need to do is click on it and install it. From here, to use the Travel Mapper add-on, we're going to go into extensions, and it'll be just over here. Now there's a few things you can do. If you click on start here, you'll be able to run through their how-to guide, and you can also generate a template. Now this is the first thing that we want to do. We want to create this template, and we're going to go ahead and create a sample over here. Let's just say yes, and it'll now generate a sample. So once it's generated a sample, you can see all of the information in over here. Right at the bottom, once it's loaded, you'll see a how to use. This you'll be able to find out all of the little details. We have our itinerary. We also have our checklist. We also have a split costs tab and a backdoor data. So now this is basically just the details of the destinations that you're in and coordinates. Let's stay in itinerary, and here you can see that there's a bunch of information. But how did this information get here? Well, this is actually quite fantastic. If you're going around and you're looking for places to go, things to do, and let's say you're using TripAdvisor. So what I'm going to do is just scroll down and have a look at some awesome activities. Let's just click on this activity over here, and it'll give you all of the information. So what we're going to do is go up to the top right hand side, and we'll use this extension that we have installed. And here it says select itinerary. Now this is where you get to select where you're putting your information. So let's just use this one over here. It's the one that we were using now. And we're going to go ahead. We are going to select this text, right click and say save. Now this will be saved to the itinerary that we've selected. And here you can see that you can edit the name, you can add a cost, you can categorize this, you can also add a time and an address, and then any other notes that you would like to add in, such as don't forget your bicycle. We're going to now say save, and this will automatically and immediately be saved right over here. You've seen just popped up. This is fantastic, and it's great because you can manage everything from here. We've got that Travel Mapper add-on map on the right hand side. You can categorize things over here differently, so in different colors. You can see you can filter your activities to days. You can have a look at some other filters such as categories. You can add places. You can edit your trip. And this is actually quite fantastic. Now, if you go and click here, you'll see that there is a location over here, but there's not a location here. Well, what happened was when we imported this information, we didn't actually add a location or any other information, but once that information is added in, everything will show up right over here. Now you can manage all of this, and you can go ahead and you can explore your map right over here in Google Sheets. Now, if you'd like to know how this extension landed up here and how to use this extension, you can go ahead, click on this video, and we'll see you over there, people. Peace out.